Genius ERP is built specifically for custom manufacturers to help you simplify your manufacturing processes, whether MTO, CTO, or ETO. If you're a high-mix, low-volume custom manufacturer, Genius will help you complete more jobs on time and make your business more profitable. Here's how a single job flows through your plant with Genius. Sales. Our CRM ensures your reps stay organized and on top of your prospects, giving you straightforward pipeline management, simple communications, and the ability to track leads and opportunities from desktop to mobile. Next, we streamline your quoting and estimating process by quickly generating an accurate quote based on price or cost and your bill of materials. Once the job is won, move seamlessly from quote to sales order, generate jobs, and launch the MRP to manage material, work centers, and labor requirements. If engineering is required, you'll love how Genius ERP integrates engineering into your manufacturing processes. As the only true engineering-to-cash ERP, Genius alleviates design bottlenecks, allowing you to engineer products from scratch or use historical data to design custom products and anticipate resource requirements with greater accuracy. And with our proprietary CAD-to-BOM system, you can turn CAD models into fully itemized complex BOMs with one click, giving you everything you need to be ready for procurement and production. Your team can progressively release information to production, helping to keep your project on track. Scheduling. Align, prioritize, and drive your organization. Genius provides the tools to schedule work centers, personnel, required parts and tools based on your BOM and your actual workload and capacity. Plus, you can monitor and improve work center performance and availability using integrated real-time data. As well as creating and managing POs, Genius increases your negotiating power by aggregating POs and giving you the information you need to challenge your vendors based on delivery performance, quality, and cost. Once you're live in production, maximize throughput and on-time delivery by managing every aspect of every job. Balance shifting priorities with a fully integrated shop floor system that connects your whole company. Our real-time data lets you track job progress, identify production bottlenecks, and measure system performance. Increase your profitability by accurately measuring job costs, comparing your initial estimate to final costs, and targeting profit-loss centers. Our live job costing also allows you to improve on the fly and better predict your profit so you always know where you stand. Once the job is done, Genius helps coordinate distribution from a single system to ensure error-free shipping, generate accurate pick lists, prepare shipping memos, bills of lading, and commercial invoices. Genius ERP also includes a full-feature multi-company, multi-currency, complete accounting package that makes it easy to track and manage all of your accounting and financial information. And of course, we keep your management team on top of everything by delivering real-time visibility across your whole company and empowering your key staff to make better decisions with rich data. Leverage over 100 built-in metrics and KPIs, plus build your own reports with our custom report toolkit. It's all about improving the performance of your team. If you're a custom manufacturer looking to make your business more efficient and more profitable, you need Genius ERP. To find out how we can help you grow your business, book a demo today. Genius ERP, built for custom manufacturers.